What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We are on a road trip from Saturday to Monday. We're heading to Canada, Niagara Falls, and Toronto, and possibly maybe Montreal, depending if we have time. But on our way to Canada, we're gonna stop first and Poconos Harley. It was on the way, so my wife was like, oh, let's stop by, because they actually have really good nice clothes that we like to buy from there. So as you can see in the background, we just got here. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. So, and then right from here, we're heading to, we're gonna spend the night upstate New York. It's a beautiful waterfall. Fantastic views you're gonna see in the video coming up. All right, so for now, we're just gonna stop by here really fast and check out Poconos Harley. The bike is doing very well. Just did a oil change on her, looking great. Everything's on point. Beautiful. There's some bikes here already, so there you go, Poconos Harley. Badass. All right, guys, we'll be back. Alright, so we're going to show you a little clip on Poconos Harley. Beautiful Harley Davidson dealership. Beautiful bikes. Nice inventory. 2 floors. Alright. All right, guys, we have made it here to Watkins Glen State Park in New York, upstate. This is gonna be our first night gonna be here. We're gonna do some trails, some waterfalls, and yeah, it was a great ride. It was about 4 hours from where I live, and should be a fun time. I'm gonna show you guys the waterfalls and stuff. All right. All right, so we approached the bridge here. Really nice, pretty cool. What a view, man. What a view. Look at that. There's people down there walking throughout the whole trail. Beautiful. Just stunning views. You can hear the waterfall stream going through. This is the bridge that goes right to the other side. We are getting closer and closer as we go down. A whole bunch of steps. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. See the people that are going to be going right through here. Getting closer. Gotta hit these stairs. A little more down, guys. A little more down. Right now we're going through the waterfall. Check it out, guys. Pretty cool waterfall. That looks super cold. We're going underneath. And underneath. Let me tell you guys, these things have stairs after stairs after stairs after stairs. But the results are beautiful. Look at that. More stairs. More stairs. Definitely don't wear your good shoes here, because it's not going to be good. So this water is actually going somewhere, but we're about to find out. Check out the scenery, guys. What a fantastic, look at that. You got the waterfall right there streaming all the way down. Look at that. Unbelievable. Love the sound. So relaxing. I can just sit here for hours and just like meditate and listen. Yeah. So we're going through another bridge here. More views. Alright guys, so we're in downtown here in Corrine, New York, and we found like a little small spot to eat. There was a barbecue spot, there's like a barbershop here, very little small town, very few people. I mean, for a Saturday this thing is like dead, but it's cute. See, they got some things right here, and then we actually found a Mexican restaurant, so we're about to head over. There's a barbershop right there. Cute little spot. Oh, that's the name of the town. Corning, New York. Here's the Fiesta restaurant. Check out the menu. All right, so we're about to go in and check it out. Mexican restaurants are always like very colorful and stuff, so but tune in for the food. Just want to show you guys what the nachos with chicken and steak and beans look like. Yummy. Hey. All right, so we got the T-bone steak with some shrimp and rice and beans. Yummy, looks really good. And then we got the carne asada with onions and oh my god, the plates are huge. All right, definitely recommend this place. Check it out. All right, guys, we're about to arrive at the hotel, and we're gonna spend the night here, and then we're gonna continue tomorrow early morning to Canada. We're gonna hit Niagara Falls and Toronto. All right. Okay guys, we're gonna end the night here at the hotel. It was a beautiful ride, about 4-hour trip to upstate New York, and we're about 2.5 hours away from Niagara Falls. So it was a great dinner, great ride, beautiful all around. Definitely recommend that Mexican spot. Okay, so till next time, see you on the next video, and we'll be on our road to Niagara Falls and Toronto. So if you're in the area of Toronto or Niagara Falls, tune into my Instagram so we could do a meet and greet. I think there's a Harley store out there, not the dealership, that's the actual store, that maybe we could actually meet up tomorrow sometime midday. But just tune into my Instagram, BarberCVO19, for further times. All right, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you on the next video. See you in Toronto. Peace.